in terms of the arrangements for the meeting and for the registered office. I must acknowledge that it was entirely your suggestion really that drove us to create that special lounge for the shareholders, and we are indeed very thankful for that suggestion, and I'm very happy that our team has been able to implement it well. I also thank you for your appreciation for the results. Of course, you mentioned that we could have increased the dividend even more, but we actually as a bank have been following a dividend payout strategy of keeping the dividend payout around 30% of the profits, and we've followed that strategy, and we are indeed very happy to increase the dividend to 16.5 rupees. You also mentioned about photographs in the diary. We'll take those suggestions into account. I'll also tell our people to look at the specific issue that you mentioned about the Bank of Rajasthan customers and the quarterly statements. It should not happen that the quarterly statements should not reach, but we will again have a look at that. So thank you for your suggestions. शोभना जी मेहता, आपके अप्रिसिएशन के लिए भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपने कहा कि डॉक्टर स्वाति पीरामल ने एक यूनिवर्सिटी के बोर्ड ज्वाइन किया है. वो यूनिवर्सिटी है हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आईवी लीग यूनिवर्सिटीज. और आपका और कुछ शेयर होल्डर्स का सजेशन था कि हम 10-year ट्रेंड पब्लिश करें बैलेंस शीट में, और आपने उसको अप्रिशिएट किया है. थैंक यू. आपका क्वेश्चन था अबाउट फ्रॉड्स एंड रिकवरी. सो इन दिस ईयर वी हैव हैड 36% रिडक्शन एक्चुअली इन द नंबर ऑफ फ्रॉड्स, एंड आवर नंबर ऑफ फ्रॉड्स वर 6,677. The amount involved also came down by 24%, and it's about 53 crores. The UK PLC, you mentioned that the profit and the advances have gone down, but that's a conscious strategy. We have actually calibrated our entire international strategy in view of the entire environment prevailing internationally. So we have consciously brought down the size of the balance sheet in many of our subsidiaries. On the housing loan and credit card, you had the suggestion that we should give about 6 to 12 months time to some of the customers. Well, we actually have to go by the RBI guidelines, but within that, whatever best we can do, we do try and accommodate the customers while maintaining our own eye on our NPAs and our collections. NYSE daily transactions, you had a question. So daily 2.2 million ADRs are traded per day on our stock on NYSE. Capital expenditure plans, we have a capital expenditure plan of about 750 crores for the year 2012-2013. And about branches, we have a plan to set up another about 250 to 300 branches in this year. In general, future roadmap, I think clearly as we had indicated at the beginning of the year, we expect that at least our domestic advances will grow by about 20%, and we are clearly keeping an eye on the CASA deposit ratio, on ROA and ROE, and you saw that our ROA improved to about 1.5% last year, but we are clearly looking at improving it further to about 1.65%. And that will lead to further increase in profits and ROE for the group and the bank. You mentioned about ESOPs and related to that attractive rights issues for the shareholders, but I just wanted to mention that the ESOPs that we grant to the employees are actually granted at the then prevailing market price. So that is the practice that we follow. It's the employees buy the shares at that market price around the time when the ESOPs are declared. But आपने जो हमारी सफलताओं के लिए, हमारी यश के लिए जो शुभकामनाएं थी, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Mr. Babubhai Waghela, we have of course made efforts to increase our attendance of the directors at the AGM, and in fact this year also just 2 directors are absent for very important and very last-minute commitments that came up for them. You made certain other suggestions about the processes at the AGMs. We will look at that. On the Reliance Power IPO, we will take the complaint and we will forward it to the company. And the point on Mr. Ramchandran, has already been replied by Mr. Kamal. Mr. Bhatt, thank you for your feedback.